Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a 3D text in Blender. So I'm gonna show you one simple method that I always use. So let's start with it. First we need to go to the left upper corner and select here object mode. After that we go to add and we need to select here text. Then we need to click tab button on the keyboard and type here any text you want. For example, I type here 3D text. Okay, and now we can go to data, object data properties, and first I recommend you to go to font. It is good idea to change the font, so I click on open font, load a new font from my file, and I select here bold font. For example, I will choose here Arial bold, and then I click open font. Now I recommend you to go to geometry, and you can some increase offset value, and I recommend you to increase extrude. After that, you can see that your text is 3D now and it looks really great. So it is how I make always 3D text in Blender. Like you see, it is really easy way to do it. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to make 3D text in Blender, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.